Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com, and today I have this gorgeous restored 1968 Chevrolet Camaro in this beautiful Daytona yellow finish, sitting on torque thrust wheels, front power disc brakes, dual exhaust system, beautiful chrome on the car along with all the glass, trim, emblems, bezels, just a gorgeous car all around. I think you guys are going to be very, very impressed with it. Please refer also to all of my photos so you guys can have an idea about every detail of the car. Underneath has been fully restored. It's gone a frame off restoration. Pop this hood real quick. Bam! It's a 383 stroker motor. We put the 302 sticker on it just for it to look like a Z28 SS setup. But that comes off if you wanted to. Upgraded with headers, 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum radiator, beautiful setup with the front power disc brakes. Trunk is excellent on the car. It sports finished trunk, factory stampings on both sides of the trunk, okay? But when I get my hand underneath here, I've noticed that the panels have been replaced from here all the way down across on both sides. But it's all metal. We put a magnet to it and everything sticks like it should. Big 12 volt in the back, posi unit. Let's fire this baby up. I want to take you guys for a quick test drive. Guys, the paint is excellent on the car, okay? All right, you got tilt wheel. Popcorn pop. Oh, you will not be disappointed. You got tilt wheel. So, turn signals work, headlights work, brake lights work, wipers work. Radio, there isn't one, so we can have one installed for you for an additional cost. Does have the MSD ignition, if I didn't mention that. Heater does function. We check tire pressure. We check the oil, the coolant, the brake fluid, the power steering fluid, the trans fluid. Speedo is inoperable for some reason. I don't know why, but it's inoperable. Let's see here. What else we got? Temp gauge works. Oil pressure gauge works. We assume the fuel gauge works, right? Yep. No spare tire. Odometer. Reading on this car is it's brand new. It's just been restored. So, all right, let's get this going. You got the infamous 4-speed transmission, seat belts all intact, no overheating problems. This thing is torquey, guys. That's for sure. I can tell right away as soon as I let the clutch go. Steering is very simple on the car. Oh, this thing's a little beast. Full body off restoration, just recently completed. This front end wants to come up when you go through the gears. Thing handles really nice. Fuel lines, gas lines, weather stripping, suspension, it's all been gone through. located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway Airport. For those of you who want to come in and check out the car in person, everything you see in my video and in my photos is exactly what you're going to be getting. There are no surprises. Clutch feels excellent. Man, this front end wants to come up on you. Whoa! Yeah, baby! I'm in fourth gear. This thing feels great. Wow. I'm going to turn off here before I get pulled over, man. Addison police don't like me that much. And downshift's great, too. Woo! Oh, baby! Turn signals all work. Man, this thing makes your heart double pump. Thumbs up from everybody. Oh, babe, man. Oh, man. No weird noises going down the road. Listen, if you guys are ready to buy, call me, text me, and, you know, hey, this is my zip code. I'll take advantage of the driveway delivery. Give me your zip code. I'll give you a quote. And if you guys, whoever needs financing, that's not a problem. If your credit score is between 625 and 725, you can definitely get financed with 10% down. You would have to go to mgmclassiccars.com for the application. Even the door buzzer works. Jesus. Whoever did this, look at underneath this thing. Look how clean this is. This is what you get when you spend the money. No headaches, okay? Brand new 68 Camaro, guys. For those of you who have a credit score of 725 or higher, go to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. You'll get approved in about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Click the red button on the bottom right of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to all your friends. Guys, gals, spend some of that money. These are tangible assets. They increase in value every single year. Have some fun. Life is short. My name is Thomas. I'm at mgmclassiccars.com. Call me or text me 847-848-1850. I will reply quicker with a text message. For those of you who do not text message and only want to talk on the phone, which is fine, leave a message after the tone. We'll talk soon. Thanks. 847-848-1850.